on vacation leave for 2 weeks. I've spent a lot of time just filling out forms, but it is what it is. So how are you all doing? Just follow me on my journey down to East Creek. Hope you enjoy. Right now I'm going across North Street, making my way down to East Street to see my barber. His name is Curtis. He's been cutting my hair for the last, it's the last 21 years, since 2003. So you can just imagine how many haircuts that have been. Yeah, it's kind of hot. My glasses look a bit on the foggy side. I lost my glasses the other day in a freak accident during burial at the Kingston waterfront. I'll talk about that another time. But you know, just enjoying my usual walk. Yes, I actually enjoy walking. I hate driving. I enjoy walking. You know, it allows me to kind of have a bit of stress relief. So you see this beautiful artwork. Kingston is laden with this all over. This was a part of that whole Kingston creative movement that is changing the look and feel of downtown Kingston. So take a look down. I'm heading down to East Queen Street, as I said, to see my barber. Now we're going past a retail outlet for P.A. Benjamin. As you can see, there was a new section was built recently and added on to the company. Oh, well, they had battened down for the hurricane. Over that side of the road, Father Whole Lot, that's one of Father Whole Lot's location. Some of the businesses have closed now. There's a hardware on that side of the road. That's so that to be honest, I'm very annoyed when I hear these yang bikes. So, you know, and there's something I wanted you guys to see. There's this guy that has a shop that's a famous TikToker. I don't know if you've heard. I think he calls himself again. Yes, You're probably hearing all of the music being played in the background. Oh, that's a new building that was built for the connected to the family. Yeah, this is the shop. It says again. So now we're coming up towards the St. George's Church, located at 83 East Street. As you can see, it's an Anglican church. Beautiful, beautiful, very old structure. The traffic is kind of building up now. Across the road, you'll see a few attorney or lawyer's office, which you find a lot in the downtown area. Over here is the corporate area, the Kingston and St. John Parish Court, the civil division that's located on Sutton Street. That's the building over there now we're looking at. To my left. Find persons here normally during court hours on a daily basis. Okay, kind of good. Yeah, sorry about that disturbance. We just have a number of persons here to come to sort out whatever civil matters that they have. You know, this building I think was recently refurbished. Yeah, Curtis. I almost reach you, man. I almost got to turn the corner now. Alright, cool. To the left is the Central Police Station. This is an interesting area. There's always books out on the road for persons to read. I don't see they have any up to date. There's a Michael Alon, that's a lawyer's office. About to, yes, it's a little car dealership. You'll see them all over downtown. About to make a right turn go towards my barber now. So now we're on East Queen Street. That's a new hot spot for the downtown here. This is a shop that is going. Yo, Chris, what going? So we're just about here now. So heading upstairs now. Let's see. Huh? Yeah, so I finally know at my barber shop. My barber behind the Curtis. So see you folks a few minutes from now. And you can tell me if you like the new look. Sorry folks, I'm back. What do you think? Oh, I didn't get a haircut. I ended up opting for a lineup because I got a call that was work related. So I'm now heading back to work. I'm currently walking along Duke Street. I decided to take another route to work. So apparently there's some road work going on. As you can see on the other side. That's the old cable and wireless building that we're looking at up there. No flow. No, my general, unfortunately I don't have any cash on me. So sorry about that, dear. Yeah, man, begging for $100. Unfortunately I don't have any cash with me normally because I'm going about and I'm going to do everything electronically. But we're going past the famous St. Aloysius Primary that has produced a lot of very bright kids and very culturally aware kids, because you'd see that they tend to win a lot of awards at the festival competitions over the many years. Next to it, I think the next school is the St. George's Girls School. So, as you would know, downtown Kingston is somewhere that is rich where it comes to history. I think that was the old government printing office building. I think some of it was destroyed by fire at one time, so many years ago. Yeah, so there's the St. George's Girls School, and as you can see across the road now is the government printing office. Some of our national heroes depicted on the wall. The great Miss Lou, possibly our greatest Jamaican icon, cultural icon, Miss Lou. The That's the national flower, the lignum vitae. The national tree is the Pumaho, and the famous ackee, you know, which is a part of our national day, ackee and saltfish. Over to our left again is the headquarters, or more aptly called headquarters house for the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. And just across the road, further along Duke Street, is Garden House, where our parliamentarians meet on a weekly basis to discuss the country's finances, to discuss different programs that we have. This is where you would see the Prime Minister, the leader of the opposition, and the senators meet on a regular basis to discuss the plans going forward for our country. And here's the Gardens of Parliament, just across the road. Not much to see there, but and across the road is the office of the political ombudsman and the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association building. Now this is the P.A. Benjamin, what you see now is this section of the newly constructed building, or the extension. It's now a massive building that stretches from East Street to Duke Street, along Charles Street, which is this one now. Let's see if I can make my way across the road safely. And now, this is the United Congregation of Israelites, also located on Duke Street. So as you can see, there's a lot of historical buildings along Duke Street. And for all who are interested in trade unions, we now have the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union Office, more famously known as the BITU. But I hope that you all enjoy this little walk with me. Tune in for another episode. All the best to you all. Continue to like, subscribe and share the videos. I know that we have not been posting for a while, but I promise you that moving forward we'll ensure to put out more content on a more regular basis, a more regular and consistent basis. Thank you for watching.